Jesus cannot be Jesus cannot be Muslim. Jesus never had 9-year-old Jesus never had a sex with 9-year-old. But Muhammad had a sex with 9-year-old. That's why Muhammad in the Quran is the first Muslim. Muhammad in the Quran is the first Muslim. Your Quran is saying that Muhammad is the first Muslim. You lie! You lie! Surah 39, verse 11 and 12. Surah 39, verse 11 and 12. Quran says Muhammad is the first Muslim. Allahu Akbar! So Jesus can Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Jesus can Jesus never had a sex with 9-year-old. Muhammad had a sex. Don't go! Don't go! Don't go! Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Come to Jesus. Come to Jesus. Because Jesus has promised with you also. Jesus has promised with you. So my friend, don't die like your Prophet Muhammad died. Don't die like him.
I am Messiah.
Someone should die like your Prophet Muhammad is dead. And your Prophet Muhammad is not going to be risen. No, not at all. Because he died as a sinner.
And Jesus will not come
He
back.
did not die.
Jesus will not come
He
back.
did not die accepting the Lord
Jesus
Jesus
will not
Christ.
come back.
Okay,
So our Muslims are deceived now
okay.
through the satanic book Quran, because Quran is saying that Jesus did not die on the cross.
But there's not in the Quran.
Yeah.
There's not
So
a
my
true
friend,
story.
my
There's
friend,
not a story.
Bible is written
It is
way before
imagining
Quran, way
this
before.
Story, this imagining, I respect now because you're talking very nicely.
Yeah.
But when you're talking shit about Prophet Muhammad, you're embarrassing yourself. Why? Because we have to respect each other. Jesus say we have to be in a peace, yeah. But you never peace. Because you're talking shit, but we have to respect each other. We have to respect Muslim, Christian, whatever. Jewish, we have to respect each other. If you wanna come here talking nicely with the people they will talk you nicely. Maybe some of them, they will trust you, they will be Christian.
Can I
So
answer you
Your
now?
manner, you have to be good.
Can I answer you now?
Yes,
I wish you could be a peaceful Muslim. I wish.
yeah.
But because you are a Muslim, you are not a peaceful Muslim, because you are the believer of Quran, Hadith, Allah and Muhammad, and they are the terrorists according to Quran and Hadith. According to Quran and Hadith, all Muslims are terrorists because they are the believer of Quran
So
and
I
Hadith
believe
and Allah and Muhammad.
All Christians
So my friend,
like you, they
I
are
wish
haters,
you can be a
they are
good human.
terrorists like you. Like
I wish
Modi,
you can be a
Modi
good
hates
human,
Muslim,
but
and
you are not.
Like Modi,
You are not a good human.
Now you need like
You
this
showed
because you
just
asshole.
few minutes
you are
ago,
motherfucker,
you showed the
are
example.
motherfucker because you asshole and put
You
Jesus
showed the
in
example. You showed the example.
Jesus
And
because you say you are
if I'm coming here, I'm preaching about Quran as well as my scripture Bible. My Bible says,
you will yes. Yeah, but we not respect. Yeah, because you say we are terrorists. This good language. So let him
your Quran kill Jews and Christians wherever you find them.
yeah.
Is this the respect? Is this the respect for Christian and Jews? No, it's not.
You are big.
That's the deception of Islam now. in
You
UK.
are terrorist. You are terrorist.
In UK,
Muslim,
that's the
you
deception
are a
of
big
Islam.
terrorist.
Because
Go to
you
your place because
try
you
to
are
be
terrorist.
peaceful
Because you are big terrorist.
because you are less in number now. Once you are bigger in number,
You are big hater.
you will be
You are
a
a big hater.
great terrorist
Great.
like
You are
those
a big hater.
terrorists,
You are terrorist. You are a terrorist. You are terrorist.
like Hamas.
Muslim very peaceful.
this right?
Muslim.
You Muslims are terrorists because you follow Quran, Hadith, Allah, Muhammad.
First war and second war. Who is Hitler?
So everything is coming from these sources.
Hitler is terrorist? No.
All these sources.
Yo, Hitler is terrorist at all.
So Hitler is not a prophet. Hitler is not a prophet.
He's a Muslim.
He's not a prophet.
He's Muslim.
He's not a prophet.
Muslim.
He is not a prophet.
Muslim.
He is a Satan like Muhammad.
He's a Muslim.
He is a Satan like Muhammad.
Answer me. He's a Muslim.
He is a Satan like Muhammad.
Muslim.
He is a Satan like Muhammad. He is a Satan like Muhammad.
He's a Muslim.
He is a Satan like Muhammad
a Muslim.
because Muhammad killed the people in Makkah. Muhammad killed people in Makkah.
Hitler is a Muslim. You are a big
When he came from Medina,
Answer.
when Muhammad came from Medina, he started killing them.
Hey, Hitler is a Muslim. In the toilet. Hitler is a Muslim.
He is as bad as Muhammad.
He's a Muslim.
He is as bad as Muhammad.
That's your Jesus.
He is as bad as Muhammad.
He's a Muslim.
But
He's a Muslim or Gandu?
he is as bad as Muhammad.
He is a Muslim?
Say,
He's a Muslim.
say as bad as
He
Muhammad.
is a Muslim.
No, say he is as bad as
He's
Muhammad. I'm saying you also say.
He's about than you.
You also say. You also say.
Hitler is a Muslim, yeah?
So if he killed Jews, then Muhammad killed Jews as well. So Muhammad and Hitler, they are
Yeah,
same.
he's a terrorist. Yeah,
They are same.
yeah.
They are same.
Yeah, Modi is
But the difference is that Muhammad is a prophet.
Modi same as well.
And you Muslims are taking example.
Modi same as well. Modi one day with a
You Muslims are taking example of
Fuck you,
Muhammad.
bitch. Modi they will fuck you one day.
Yes.
You Muslims are taking a sunnah of Muhammad.
What about the Bush?
We are not taking a sunnah of
How many Jews go to
that terrorist.
How many people George Bush killed in Afghanistan? How many?
So Muhammad is a terrorist. Muslims are terrorists. Muslims are terrorists. Yes. So Muslim, why do I say Muslims are terrorists? Because they are the follower of Quran, they are the follower of Allah, they are the follower of Muhammad, they are the follower of Hadith. Every Sharia law is coming from all these four sources. All these four sources. That's why Muslims are terrorists, because they are the believer of Quran and Hadith. They are the believer of Allah and Muhammad. So stop following Quran and Hadith.
Stop following English Empire. They will
Quran
kill you.
is making you a terrorist. Quran is making you a terrorist. So my friend, come out of Quran. Come out of Quran. Jesus love you. Jesus love you. Jesus died for you.
Him and your ass.
And Jesus is going to save you. Muhammad died with a poison, isn't it? Your Muhammad died with a poison. And Allah couldn't save Muhammad. Allah has failed to save Muhammad.
What about Modi? What about you?
So Jesus died on the cross and rose on the third day. Rose on the third day. And Jesus is up in heaven.
Muhammad died with the curry.
No, Muhammad is up in heaven. No, Allah is up in heaven. Only and only Jesus is up in heaven, and Jesus is coming back. Jesus is coming back. So follow Jesus. Follow Jesus. Don't follow false prophet Muhammad. Don't follow false prophet Muhammad.
You are a big hater.
So my friend,
You are a big hater.
I'm not a hater.
How a hater goes to heaven?
I'm not a hater.
You are a hater.
I'm preaching Quran.
How you gonna go to heaven?
I'm preaching Quran.
You never follow
You will never see
Christian.
heaven.
How I am hater? I'm preaching Quran.
Never follow Christian.
Quran is a satanic book. Quran says that this is a satanic book. I'm preaching Quran.
You are a big liar.
I'm preaching Quran.
Never. You are a big.
Quran says
You are a big.
Allah is as Satan.
You are a big liar.
Allah is the deceiver.
Liar. You are a big.
Quran says
You are liar.
I'm preaching Quran.
You are liar.
I'm preaching Quran.
You are liar.
Allah is the deceiver in the Quran.
You are liar.
In the hadith,
Daddy.
your mother Aisha is saying Muhammad died with a poison. So I'm preaching hadith.
my belly, Handi. Your belly.
I'm preaching hadith because your Muhammad died with a poison.
Whose baby? Who?
And Allah couldn't save your Prophet Muhammad.
Let me see your trouser. Orta tikiye dal kaya tha.
So how will he save Muslim?
Dal kaya tha.
How will he save Muslim?
Kaza wala.
How will he save Muslim? Tell me. How will he save Muslim
Chatti nikal gayi teri.
if he cannot save Muhammad?
Modi Zindabad.
Muhammad was Allah's beloved prophet.
Imran Khan Zindabad.
I'm preaching Quran. I'm preaching hadith. Allah couldn't save his beloved prophet Muhammad.
Allah say India Zindabad.
Allah is failed.
Allah said India Zindabad.
Allah is failed
Allah
in
said
saving Muhammad.
Save yourself from ladies.
So my friend,
Allah said India
Jesus
Zindabad.
can save you. Jesus will save you.
Save yourself first. Then
Jesus is coming.
Allah said
Jesus is coming.
yes, already coming.
No Muhammad is coming.
Yeah.
No Allah is coming. No Allah is coming.
Allah no coming, yeah?
No Allah is coming.
If Allah coming, they will kick
Only and only Jesus is coming.
India
Huh?
Zindabad.
When you will be ready.
save yourself.
When you are ready.
Save your ass first. Then we save ourselves.
He knows your heart. You are not ready. He knows your heart. So, my friend,
I'm not your friend.
don't die like your prophet Muhammad died in his sin.
I will die with Modi. I will die with Modi.
That's why your
I will die with
Muhammad
Modi.
is
I
in
will
a
die
hellfire.
with Modi. Modi Zindabad.
Your Muhammad is in a
I will die
hellfire.
with Modi. Modi Zindabad.
Your Muhammad
I will
is
die with
in
Modi.
hellfire.
Modi, fuck you, Abad.
Your Allah couldn't save your prophet
He's a
Muhammad.
good boy.
They're gonna put you on the fire and then they're gonna burn you.
No.
Your Allah couldn't save your prophet Muhammad. Let alone Muslim.
You are too fat to save.
Let alone Muslim. So your Muslims
You need something?
will not be saved.
You need something?
No.
Your Muslims will not be saved unless you become ex-Muslim. Look, how many are ex-Muslim?
Make peace. Hey.
So many Muslims.
Tea.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
peace, man.
Thank you so much.
Make
I
peace,
have
man.
water. I have water.
Make it this.
I have water.
Coffee.
No. Maybe it's a camel urine. Who knows? For you it's a tonic. For you it's a tonic.
Make it tea.
Muhammad gave you a tonic.
Make it tea.
Muhammad gave you a tonic.
Make it tea.
A camel urine.
Make it tea Zindabad, yaro.
So my friend.
Peace.
So my friend.
Peace, Gandu.
I'm here to preach Quran as well. The Quran says
Yes.
Jews and Christian
Yes.
are pig and monkey.
No, 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 no. No, never.
Quran says.
No, 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 no. No,
Quran says
no, no, never said.
You monkey.
No.
you are paying
No, no, no.
to your imam. You're a
I'm not paying anyone.
huh?
Look,
I'm
look,
not
look,
paying
look.
anyone.
You are deceiver now. You are a liar now. You are paying your imam. Go and ask where it is written.
Where is it?
Show me.
Go ask your imam. You are paying to them.
Who am I paying? Tell me.
Huh? To your imam.
You have my bank account details.
You are paying to imam.
No, I'm not paying anyone.
Yes. You are paying.
How?
Huh?
How? How much am I paying?
I don't know how much you are paying. Whatever you are earning, you are paying. So my friend, if you want a reference, go to your imam. They will give you a reference. Or else read Quran. Quran says, kill Jews and Christians wherever you find them.
Where?
Quran says.
No, it says
Ask your imam. Where? Huh?
Which Quran are you reading?
The Quran which is given by Shaitan.
No, no shaitan.
Yes. The Quran which is given by Shaitan.
This message for God.
Muhammad opened his mouth and Shaitan put the Quran in his mouth.
You've been giving too many blowjobs, mate. I swear.
leave that one and do me.
That is what Quran is saying. Quran says Muhammad worshipped Lat, Manat and Uzat. 3 daughters of Allah. Muhammad worshipped 3 daughters of Allah. 3 daughters of Allah. So come. Your Muhammad worshipped Lat, Manat and Uzat. He worshipped. And not only Muhammad, but his forefather also worshipped. That's why they were pagan. Your Muhammad and his forefather. I'm saying to you. I'm saying them. No.
I take it as a compliment.
Oh, okay. Right. So your Muhammad worship Lat, Manat and Azat. And also your Muhammad worshipped Blackstone. And that Blackstone is introduced to Islam. Up till today, the Muslims are going to Mecca and kissing a Blackstone there. That Blackstone was a pagan deity. That's why all pagan of Mecca,
What's your name?
all
No.
Muslim,
My friend preached
all pagan of Mecca, they were circling around the Blackstone naked.
Can I ask you one thing?
Yeah.
Instead of preaching hate, why can't you preach
I'm
love?
not. Am I preaching hate?
Yeah, you're preaching hate right
Am
now.
I preaching hate?
Exactly.
I am preaching Quran.
No, forget
I am
the Quran.
preaching
Preach love.
Hadith.
Preach love, just love.
I am
Preach
preaching
love.
Quran and Hadith.
Just love all religions.
This is all written in the Quran and Hadith.
About peace.
What they have.
This is-
love. Jesus was love.
this is-
Jesus was all about love. So
This
love.
is in Quran and Hadith.
Leave the Quran, yeah?
Leave the Quran alone.
So Muhammad's parents, they were pagan.
Back to Muhammad.
They were pagan. They were worshipping
But they
Blackstone
died when he was very young.
of Mecca.
His father died before he was
They were worshipping Blackstone of Mecca.
when he was 2.
Huh?
What do you know about Muhammad's parents?
They were a pagan worshipper.
Can you mention the mother of Muhammad?
Huh?
The mother of Muhammad.
Zainab.
She died when he was 2.
Come on, say Zainab.
What happened to mother of Muhammad?
Who's the mother of Muhammad?
Who?
Who's the mother of
Who
Muhammad?
is it?
No, he's talking about Muhammad
Boss
family.
is here, the boss here.
Do you know Muhammad family?
She's going to bring
Huh?
her in.
You know.
Muhammad family.
Abdullah was the father.
Who's Abdullah?
Abdullah.
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 Allah.
Abdullah. So
Are you sure?
Abdullah. What does Abdullah mean?
Abdullah, the slave of God.
Slave of Allah. But Abdullah was born in pagan family.
Yes.
He lived as a pagan. He worshipped pagan Allah. So which Allah's worshipper he was? Which Allah's worshipper he was? He was the worshipper of pagan Allah. That's what I am saying. He was the worshipper of pagan Allah. So come out of Islam.
You're not even a Christian.
Come out of Islam.
You're not even a
Follow Jesus.
Christian with money.
Jesus love you.
Money.
Jesus love you.
How much they pay you? Me,
Look.
How much they pay you?
Jesus is not a Muslim.
For drink. How much they pay you?
Jesus is not a Muslim.
Who's your God? Who's your
I
God?
miss.
Huh?
Who's your God?
Jesus is my God.
God.
Jesus is my God. Come and follow Jesus. That's why my God is coming back. My God is coming back. No Allah is coming.
Jesus is God, yeah?
No Muhammad is coming.
Has a mom?
Only and only Jesus, my God, is coming back.
Has a mom, yeah?
Huh?
How is it sense?
As God. As God. He's coming as a God.
Okay, has mom, yeah?
As God, he's coming back. As God, he's coming back.
Okay, God.
So, don't follow Allah. Come to Jesus. Come to Jesus.
As long as you don't spend
Come to Jesus. 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 Don't take me at home. Don't take me to your home. Don't take me to your home. But come to Jesus.
Show us some love.
Don't take me to your home.
Show us some love.
I'm not going to your home.
Show your wife some love.
Come on. Come to Jesus. Come to Jesus. Come to Jesus. Jesus love you. Jesus love you. Don't die like your prophet died with a poison. Your prophet died with a poison.